Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Omotayo, and today I want to share recipes for diabetes treatment. And just as we always share recipe for food to ensure the food is tasty enough and delicious, so I've put together some recipes for diabetes treatment. The treatment of diabetes should be taken seriously because diabetes and hypertension are the most leading causes of chronic kidney disease. And if you pay attention to the care of this disease, we will have a better outcome. And of course, this can prevent complications from this disease. So I will just go straight to the recipe that I have put together for us so that we'll have a better outcome and of course prevent the complications that comes with the disease. So the number one I have here is be open-minded to diagnosis and the treatment required. So this is actually important to people that are actually living with diabetes. You have to be open-minded to the diagnosis and of course the treatment required for this disease. So the number two is ensure your compliance with food modification by the experts. So you really need the professionalism here. You need the input of dietitian. When it comes to diabetes, your food modification, your food plan, your meal plan is actually a therapy on its own in order to lower your blood sugar level, and this shouldn't be overlooked. You don't have any reasons to be asking people that are not licensed in this field for your food plan. Please, if you are diagnosed with diabetes, always search for the input of the dietitian. So this is actually important, and that's why it is on number two. So the number three is engage in exercise. So if you must know, exercise is not just an activity but a therapy. Exercise will help in uptaking of the sugar in your blood, and this should not be overlooked. So if you are living with diabetes, always engage in exercise. Some prefer to have their exercise immediately after their meal, and I feel this is actually this actually is important, and it's enhance each benefit to the body system, as this will actually help in lowering the blood sugar. So the fourth thing I have as the recipe for diabetes treatment is a need for glucometer. So if you are living with diabetes, you need a glucometer for yourself. This is important. You need to know how to check your blood sugar level, record it, know when to take your drugs, because there are times that your sugar level may be low, and if you keep taking the oral hypoglycemic agents even when your sugar level is normal, you can go into hypoglycemia, and this can be fatal. So yes, there is need for glucometer, and there is need for you to check and record. So yes, and that takes me to number fifth recipe, which is ensure you check your sugar level every morning and record the value. So the sugar we check every morning before you eat anything, before you even brush, is fasting blood sugar, and this is important. I always check this and take the record. It is important. Anytime you are going to the doctor for review, you take your recording along with you so that the doctor can check what the sugar readings have been over the time. So always take your prescribed medication. Do not skip except when your sugar level is low. That's the next. Then please, it is important to, when you are living with diabetes, it's important to check on the kidneys, and this takes me to this next recipe, which is do electrolytes, urea and creatinine test just to check on your kidneys. Never skip your doctor appointment. Keep to your doctor's appointment and report every unusual feelings to your doctors. Let your doctor know everything. Don't hold on to, or don't keep any information away from your doctor. Always tell your doctor everything regarding your health whenever you are on visit. Then you can join a diabetic group for your psychological support. This is equally important. It will help to elevate your spirit, and it will make you know that you are not alone in the journey. So those are the recipes that I have. I hope we can keep to them, because actually diabetes treatments really need to be so diabetes treatment really needs to be taken seriously, because like I said earlier, diabetes and hypertension are the most leading causes of chronic kidney disease. And do you know what? The care of the complications of diabetes is so expensive to treat. So focus on how you can lower your blood pressure, so that you not have complications due to this disease. See you guys later. Bye. My name is Tewa Mota Yakerem. Bye.